Welcome, entrepreneurs, to NOBOSStv Discussion 3. This discussion will help you decide what business you want to start or clarify the business idea that you already have in mind. The best idea for you is one that you can pursue for the long haul, something you have a passion for and is already motivated to do. But with that, there also needs to be a balance of skills, knowledge, and managerial qualities. Whether you possess the know-how, plan to hire skilled personnel, or outsource, the skills and knowledge has to come from somewhere, and you need to be able to manage it. Choosing the wrong business idea may condemn your business to uneven growth, poor management, and ultimate failure. So it's always best to go with what you know. And it's likely that your new venture will stem from your interests or experiences related to career, hobby, invention, or you've discovered an unmet need. Let's talk about those in greater detail. Your career provides skills and knowledge that you've acquired over the years. Your business could be within the same field, a related field, or a different field that your career could validate. For example, let's say you're a nurse and you want to start a business as an electronic hair removal service. Your nursing background would be a great asset to this new business. Hobby, a favorite pastime, and something you likely do very well. Again, adding years of experience. Emphasize these creative factors of this hobby to set your business apart from the competition and build a unique and loyal following. Invention, something that fills a need or even changes an industry. Inventions are often related to one's career or hobby or day-to-day life. The same as an unmet need. But an unmet need doesn't have to be a tangible product. But again, it will fill a need, the unmet need, change an industry, or it could also be related to one's career, hobby, or day-to-day life. In fact, NOBOSS is the perfect example of discovering an unmet need. It was the type of tool that I was looking for when I started my first business in 1988. It didn't exist. I was like every other entrepreneur. I read 8 books, notes and scribble everywhere. But in the end, there was no business and I was still figuring everything out on my own. Here's your first task. Use the idea assessment worksheet. And in this worksheet, I want you to list the business ventures that you're considering. And then rate those ideas according to each category. Select the ideas with the highest scores. And then think, which of those can I do for the rest of my life? Is this a business that I could scale into a profitable venture? And if the industry or technology changed, could this idea change successfully? Stop this video, download the Ideas Assessment Worksheet, and complete this task. Welcome back. The next thing I want you to do in the NOBOSS workshop is write a brief description of the business venture that you plan to start. And again, if you have to stop this video, download Workshop 1 for free to complete the task. Now that you've completed your brief description of the business venture that you plan to start, I want you to think about that description for a moment. What makes your business so special that customers will want to pay you? your great product or service isn't enough. Customers are paying for you to solve their problems, make their lives easier, happier, faster, better, more this, more that. So how can you take your great business idea and make it stand out? What can you emphasize to sell your business to a customer? Edit your business description to emphasize how your business can stand out. This is the type of verbiage that you'll use when you promote your product or service, or in your business plan to secure a business loan or an investor. So for example, you're selling apples at an open market stand on the weekends. You have a sign that says apples. They're wonderful, and they will probably sell. However, next to you is a competitor with apples also. But their sign says, farm fresh apples, grown locally without chemicals, hand-picked daily. They'll probably sell more than you. The information. It doesn't mean that you don't do the same things. It doesn't mean that you don't have the same quality. It's about competition. It's about information to the customer. How you view your product and how you want your customer to view your product. Apples or farm fresh apples. Grown locally without chemicals. Hand-picked daily. Edit your business description. And I'll see you in the next discussion.